Hi guys, welcome to Arm Candy. I hope you're all well. Excuse the ladders down below, we're doing some work on the front of the shop, which is exciting, but of course, you know, it causes a little bit of mess, so I apologise for that. What we've got for you today is this beautiful Temperley London wristlet, and it's in a silver snake effect leather with the most amazing gold studs. So it's a beauty. So you've got the little handle here. I'll come back and show you what it looks like. So it looks really cool. It just sort of hangs there beautifully. Or, you know, you could have it as a clutch as well, which looks equally as stylish. But of course, as usual, all the sizing will be on the website. So the features of it, you've got, of course, you've got the wristlet strap here, which is also in the snake effect leather. You've got a zip top closure here, and then inside there's just one big compartment, and there's the Temperley plate there. And then on the front, you've got this gorgeous hardware and one zipped pocket there in between. Condition-wise, I've called the external condition very good. There are no marks to show you. There is literally nothing to show you. I just thought there may be a few signs of wear in the leather, but really it looks excellent. But because of the odd little marking in the leather, that's why I've called it very good. But there is no stains, no cuts, no scuffs. It is gorgeous. So that's why I've called that very good. Internally, the interior condition is excellent. There is nothing to show you in there. It's perfect, there's not one mark. So interior, excellent. And then the hardware I have called good. The reason I've called it good is, like, look at it, it looks incredible. But on a few of the tees, there's the odd little mark like that. But on the rest of them, they're in astonishing condition, I think. They aren't scratched up, they look beautiful. But because the odd one has a little mark on it, that's why I've called it good. But you know, overall the condition is absolutely fabulous. It looks great, doesn't it? And it's making lots of nice gold disco ball like things over the wall. I'll show you what it comes with. So it comes with the Temperley London envelope, and then the little care card in there telling you about the leather. And then you've also got the dust bag too, the Temperley London dust bag. So yeah, if you are interested in this little beauty, I'll put the link to it in the description below, the video description. So you click through, that will take you straight to our website where you can buy this. But you can also have a look through that link at everything else on our website. We have loads of gorgeous arm candy, and there's even more coming in. So when you go onto the website, you'll see a little box pop up, or if you scroll down to any page, you can actually sign up to our newsletter. And when you sign up to the newsletter, you get sent a discount code for 5% off your first purchase, which is such a steal. So make sure you sign up to the newsletter because you don't want to miss out on your dream arm candy. And as well, follow us on Instagram at Arm Candy Bag Co. We'll put a link to that in the description as well. And whilst you're here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell and like this video. So I hope you all have a lovely day, and it was lovely to see you all.